Oh, there we go. That's the money shot.
That was a good one.
That's the money shot. Oh, look. Woo. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. This is a bit of a local's secret. We've come down a hidden dirt track to this sauna, which is built in an area where I'm not going to tell you, but we've brought a load of firewood. We're going to try and get this started. So let's see how this goes. Hang on a second. Do it again. So nice! Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's the money. That's the money shot. It's been a really refreshing experience to get back on the skis and just be up in the mountains after such a long time not doing so. And then such a fun time to get out in the middle of nowhere and find that sauna, which, you know, was a bit of a trial run. It didn't go exactly as we wanted. It wasn't piping, steaming, but all the same, bit of adventure. And that's why I'm out here, really. You know, that's why I'm filming these videos. I've sort of not done too much talking in the last two videos. I wanted to let the skiing and the scenery do the talking, but many more videos to come. I'm looking forward to sort of planning and coming up with new ones. The conditions have been a little bit naff this week. It's been wet and windy, but as we go into this weekend now, colder temperatures are coming and more snow is on the way. I've got some flakes outside, so that's a good sign. If you like this video, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you've already done, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.